erase it all.
Whoa, that was nice.
Whoa.
Only one right.
Only one I know you can do it.
Oh, really?
Good
job.
job.
Casey's turn.
Whoa.
I'm gonna move up the branch.
Okay.
Whoa.
Lauren's gonna like break the thing open.
Whoa. Oh my goodness. Whoa.
Mommy, my feet feel gross. Let me see.
Whoa.
That's like the perfect height. What are you doing? I'm making sure it's not on the ground.
Whee! I'm gonna like watch it.
Oh, really?
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
There's
Try to
water
get
in
the spot
that
where the
bag.
candy is. Josh, you're in front of me. Oh, right. There's one sticking.
Oh.
We're gonna go set up first. We'll be right back. We had to. It's much more neat.
Ashley! Watch out!
You better tuck it in somewhere, and then keep rolling. Reminds me, I forgot to bring your 20. She really didn't like it.
Well, the ones that she has on, her little friend Olivia has the same boots.
And then they should color us after.
How do you do that?
Like take brown markers and like,
Oh.
because they're dirty. It's ripped.
Huh?
Oh, no. Take cobwebs.
It's a CD now. It's not my iPad.
Drop it.
Do you know what, Erica? When your shoes get in the sunlight, they're so sparkly. When the sun shines on them, they look like jewels.
You gotta turn it up.
It's good.
Hey, can we keep it like that all the time?
Mom!
Very nice.
I need to have a place to see. It's like, I only see white. Oh, I can see now.
Is that good?
That's awesome.
Good.
All right, I think you guys should wrap the little people.
Yeah.
Beautiful day out.
I know.
Faster, better weather.
My gosh.
Don't you wish it could kind of stay like this for like
Yeah.
2-3 weeks before it snows?
Yeah.
Just enough to make you long for the
Doing
colder weather.
good, Erica.
I know
Look
it.
at how good she's doing it. What are you doing, Riley?
Okay, go down now. Go down by her legs.
You what, hon?
Oh no, it broke!
I'll hold it.
Can I do you? Can I wrap you up, Riley? Okay, ready?
Hold on, Katrina. Let me take your picture.
Wrap my
Lauren and Erica, get on either side of Katrina and I'll take your picture. Give your mommy a hug. Erica, give your mommy a hug.
Yay. Wait. We're not done.
Oh, hold on.
Hurry up, she's ripping.
I'm ripping.
She's ripping.
I'm ripping.